This is the reveal video.
Supra's done.
Oh!
How does ZD pull away?
Damn, dude. Modification shop just called me and said the Widebody kit for the Supra just arrived. Oh yeah. You guys, I'm super excited. We're here at Protective Film Solutions in Santa Ana, Southern California. This is my boy's shop, and no joke, hands down, I'm not just saying this, the #1 place to get your car wrapped here in Southern California. They do everything here, from all the supercars right up to hypercars. This is just, it's paint and then completely covered in Clearbra Expel so that it's gonna make sure that this beautiful paint stays beautiful. Why don't we get inside and I'll show you guys around the shop before we do the reveal. We don't have a full house, but the cars you have here are like the cream of the crop. A Porsche GT3 Club Sport MR.
I think.
This is the brand new Bugatti Chiron Sport.
Yeah.
Look at this, you guys. Holy. I like how they did this. Red engine covers out of the W16 engine.
Yeah, the red touches look really good on this car.
This is a special treat, you guys. Check this out. Oh, yes. There's the Sport badging right on the door sill. Carbon fiber, of course. And look at this. It lights up the inner ring inside the cockpit here. Bugatti sure does know how to make you feel special when you spend, you know what, $3.5, $4 million? Steering wheel, I think I need one of these steering wheels in my life. That engine start button right there. Is this a special badge right in the center of the console? This one, like the 110th anniversary?
So I think the sports are all made for 110. I'm not really positive on that though, but the only sports have that or the 110th anniversary.
What a beautiful car. And then of course we have a McLaren Senna right here next to it. Also getting some Expel. This is probably the best carbon fiber bucket seat I've ever been in.
And it's purple.
I like purple. Purple's beautiful. And then he's got the race harnesses as well as the shoulder belt for the street use.
Supra's done.
Yeah.
They finished it.
Thank you, you guys. Thank you, thank you. I'm pretty excited, but they did say they need to take it out into the sun. Getting ready for the big reveal. Oh yes. That is crazy. I love this. Holy, look at this thing. Well, there you guys have it. We have the green machine now. I love this in green. Absolutely killed it. Huge thanks to Protective Film Solutions. Now we need it to be a little noisier. I really like it in green, man. We had them do an all gloss black wheel, blacked out the doors, right?
Yep.
So you don't have any red or anything in here. You still have the sticker on here?
Oh yeah.
That says no dealer warranty. Now it says that because we didn't buy it directly from a Toyota manufacturer.
I thought they put that on there because they want to make sure you guys know there's no warranty.
Yeah, they probably did. They probably did put that on there
specifically for DD.
For DD. There's no manufacturer's warranty once DD drives this thing.
No.
Okay, the green machine is complete, wheels and all refinished. However, we are not done with the build. We now need to head down to Sheepy Race and see if they've collected all the titanium needed to hopefully build the world's first full titanium 2020 Supra exhaust. I have no idea what that's gonna sound like, but we're hoping it's gonna be absolutely absurd for what you guys would normally expect from a turbocharged BMW motor. Cruising along, I found a 600 LT. Nice spec. Let's see what we got here. Sick car. I wonder if it could take the Supra. I would hope so for what that thing's worth. We're back at Sheepy Race and the titanium is in. Yes, he's nodding. He's going like this. He's not being very verbal. Nick's a bit quiet. He's in. He's the silent type, but he'll beat your ass. Nick, what do you think of the green, bro?
I like it. It's bright.
It's bright.
It's good. It's different.
Right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man.
It's like a Toyota Lambo. Toyota BMW Lambo.
Toyota BMW Lambo. That's the new one. We need an exhaust to make what I was just doing even louder. We're gonna make a titanium exhaust for this car. I'm super stoked. Let's hear it though. It's pretty loud as it is. What do you think a titanium exhaust will do to this?
It's gonna be a little bit louder.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Let's go see. You got the materials? Yeah. What does raw titanium look like? Is it cool? Is it cooler than anything
It looks
else?
like normal metal, honestly.
Does it really?
Yeah, it doesn't look anything. Doesn't really look crazy.
Johnny, nice hat, bro.
I know.
Plug in that merch. Plug in that. By the way, this stuff's all at shoptv.com, and it matches the Supra, which was kind of like the little subtle hint when Dave and I were wearing it all this time. Comes like this?
Yeah, they just look like cardboard. No.
Really? That's funny. This is how titanium gets shipped to you?
Yeah, the straight pieces, yeah. And then
That's
we have
sick.
individual pie cuts.
That's all little pie cut titanium? That's crazy. That's how you have to buy it to make an exhaust.
Yeah, it's a lot of welding. Oh yeah.
Whoa.
But yeah, it just looks like any other metal. It's pretty normal looking. Some clamps. Well, those are not titanium.
That's sick. So you just did a tie exhaust for this? Is it all installed?
Yeah, actually, we just finished putting it on.
Here, we'll give you guys an idea of what the beauty that is Sheepy Race once they've got everything done. Oh yes. Oh yes. How good does that look? That's amazing, man. Nice work. How sick is
Depends
it?
on, you can get like different colors actually. So like depending on how hot it gets,
Yeah.
it'll be less blue, more red, more gold is not that hot, and then it turns purple, red. Blue is the hottest.
Really?
So depending on what you want, you can actually make it change different colors, which is pretty cool.
Can we hear this thing? Sounds amazing. Oh, it sounds so good. Contrell, congratulations, bro. Oh, and look what's over here. We got the tire slayer lurking. It's gonna get put back together. Don't worry, guys. We got an update on that. Not gonna be in this video. Johnny's on a trip fixing another car or working or building or doing something. So this is it.
Couple boxes.
Boxes of Lambo goodies.
Doesn't look like much, but
This is insane. Like, holy crap. This is for a Huracan, isn't it?
yeah, it's the billet intake manifolds.
Billet intake manifolds. Maybe I need one. For now, I just need an engine. This thing's now currently it's in the Flintstone state. You can get in there and just push with your feet. Just Barney Rubble that. I gotta get the hell out of here. I gotta take this thing over to West Coast, and hopefully when we get back, we'll have this beautiful titanium exhaust to show you and for you to hear. What do you think?
Damn, dude, it looks good. That looks
The
great.
green machine. That's just from the downpipe.
That's insane.
Just
No
think,
exhaust yet.
No, Sheepy's gonna make a full tie exhaust still. How loud do you think it'll get then?
It's gonna be great. Thumbs up, PFS.
Yeah,
Thumbs up.
they killed it. So I'm gonna give it back to you guys. Before you know, you guys did a burnout in an old Chevrolet, like an old pickup truck. Yeah,
an old one.
Hell
So
yeah.
the DD influence.
DD influence around
So
here. Before you know it, we'll have a crazy exhaust reveal. I mean, think about how much titanium that's gonna be.
Dude, it's a ton.
It's
That's
gonna
like,
be-
That's seriously, that's a car in titanium.
all- yeah, but-
No, the Superleggera Supra.
Superleggera Supra. Well, you even got a Gallardo. You should line up the Gallardo, the Supra, and the Huracan. I'm just saying, not telling you what to do with your, not telling you what to do at your showroom, but telling you what to do at your showroom. I love this thing. Look at that.
Oh, that thing is so loud.
It's actually really loud. I didn't realize it was that loud when you're behind it. Looks so good next to the Lambo. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It
like-
almost looks identical.
So much better after that downpipe. Like, and it obviously
turbo.
faster with the green.
Oh yeah, the upgraded turbo, downpipe, and the tune. It's actually got a lot more, like that's it, just
Dude, shocked on how this color came out. Like this literally was one of the best choices. I think PFS did a great job with it, and it's going to give a show for the run on the greens around here.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Looks good.
Very good, very good.
Well, it's now here at the West Coast Exotic Cars
We will take
showroom.
care of it. Make
You better.
sure that we're the only one that drives it.
Can you even believe that I'm doing this? Can you believe this? So Long, you guys, Long, who's the owner of LTMW, a performance modification shop, just called me and said, the wide body kit for the Supra just arrived. And I said, well, hey, that's cool. I'm dropping the car off down at West Coast Exotic Cars in Temecula. It's like an hour. Literally, I was 10 minutes away from his shop when I left PFS. The irony is the kit's in. He said he can start on the car right away. So I'm about to pull this car back out of their shop and now drive all the way back to where I was. And we're gonna go to LTMW. But the cool part is the vlog ain't over. Now you're gonna get to see the wide body Pandem kit for the Supra, and he's gonna get started in the next week. And they can't start on the exhaust anyhow till next week. They're even unsure about that. So we're gonna skip the exhaust for now and get right to wide bodying this car.
Doing it the right way, I guess.
We're just gonna
the DDE way.
hack it up, hack it up. Back this thing out, watch my mirrors, watch my...
Oh, the mirror's a little closer.
I just did a 3-hour round trip just to say hi to these guys.
How was it though?
That's how much I love you guys. Hey, thank you guys.
Absolutely.
I appreciate you.
It's always a pleasure to have you here.
It's always a
Take
pleasure.
this to get this thing wide-bodied, and we'll see you soon.
It's always a pleasure to drive 3 hours round trip. Just to see your beautiful faces. Hey, take care of that beautiful car.
Watch those mirrors, buddy.
Inside joke. How does ZD pull away?
I don't know.
That's how we pull away. Well, lucky for me, it's a beautiful evening for a drive. Look at this. No joke, an hour and 17 minutes. Right back in the direction I just came from. Well, I have arrived at LTMW, finally. Hour and a half later. They got all sorts of, oh, I see another Supra project back there. All right. I survived 3 hours of driving, but we finally made it to LT Motorworks. What up, Long? This is the kit right here, right? The house of wide body everything. Look at this place, holy sh**. Oh, there she is. That's it. All sorts of parts. Estimated install time.
I'll probably say a couple days.
That's pretty impressive.
We don't have to paint it.
Don't have to paint it. Do you have to do any prep to make sure that that's like
we do
gonna
have to prep it.
prep it a bit, obviously, so it's smooth? Because when you wrap it, it's gonna show any imperfections.
Definitely. Mock the kit up first.
Yeah.
And drill all the holes that we need to. Take all the kit off. Send it out to prep. And then make our holes and do our nuts and rivets that we do here.
Yeah.
Because they supply just like sheet metal screws.
Yeah.
So we do the buttons.
It's all the budget stuff, right?
Yeah.
You do all the proper.
We do all the good stuff.
Yeah. Green car reveal and the wide body starts.
You move too fast, bro.
You got Huracan's torn apart. Is Huracan like the #1 modded car right now? Because you
No,
have
because we're doing 4 Liberty Walk
4 Liberty Walk ones.
debut for SEMA.
Wow. A new one.
So the new one, yeah.
Oh,
The
okay.
GT. Liberty Walk just released, like I think today, and we just posted up on our Instagram.
And you already have the kits here.
We have 2 of them.
Damn.
There we go.
All right. Well, stay tuned for that. Well, bro, thanks for staying open late.
Definitely.
I guess you're here anyhow.
I am.
So here's a question for you. They obviously have this wing in here.
Yeah.
Is the wing like you can choose to not put it on, or does you have to put it
Yeah,
on?
you can choose not to put it on. Yeah.
I'm not a huge fan of the wing, but I didn't know if it was like fixed
But you
to
have
that.
covers
You have covers.
that you can take off the wing.
Could we put that little whatever like that goes over the trunk on, and then can you get me like
exactly. So you don't have to put the wing on.
can you get me a real gnarly like gooseneck race look like race wing or something?
We can chassis mounted.
All right, you guys, we are leaving the Supra. We are actually leaving the Supra here. I don't want to drive anywhere else. Look at this, completely torn apart Huracan. It's getting the brand new Liberty Walk kit. R8s. We got all sorts of crazy stuff. Look at this wide body 458. So basically the next time I'm back, you guys are gonna get the full reveal. Wide body, crazy, green. Man, This is moving pretty quick, but I'm excited. You guys, thanks for watching. Smash the subscribe button. If you want to support DDE, pick up some green merch that literally matches the Supra, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace. Whoa! You see me catch the camera? I almost dropped you guys.